I've got an idea. Let's wake them up. Rise and shine, come on. Take it away. Well done, Triangle. Now it's time to get back on the shelf. This is a brilliant jungle picture. You don't even need a paintbrush to do it. Just paint and your fingers.